Hola chicos, soy yo, Senora Green. Since I can't be there with you today, I still wanted to make sure that you understood the vocab that we're learning. So, por favor, saquen su paquete de vocabulario. And I've instructed the sub that he or she can pause it whenever he or she needs to, if you guys need more time. So feel free to pause it while you get your packets out. La primera palabra, la panadería. Panadería. Panadería in inglés es bread shop, the bread shop. So in Spanish-speaking countries, you'll see often places that just sell certain things. They have places like Walmart and places like Kroger's, but a lot of times they go to specialty shops, like a place that just sells bread. La panadería. El mercado es the market. The market. El mercado. La pastelería. This is more like a cake shop, okay, or a bakery. La pastelería. One that sells all kinds of sweets. Pastelería. La plaza. We use this word often in English. You might hear the word plaza, but if you don't know what that is, it's like a square in the middle of the city. Often it's a square area that's surrounded by buildings. La plaza. La tienda. The store. The store. Just in general, any kind of store. La tienda. All right, now this is where I need your participation. I want to make sure that you know what these words are. So just like as if I were there, I want to make sure that the sub can hear you. ¿Qué es esto? La moto or la motocicleta, sí. ¿Qué es esto? La pastelería, sí. ¿Qué es esto? A pie. ¿Qué es esto? La tienda. ¿Qué es esto? La panadería. ¿Y qué es esto? El avión. Muy bien. Ahora chicos, yo tengo práctica para ustedes. Persona número 12 necesita tablas blancas, marcadores, borradores. Número 1. ¿Qué es? Uno, dos, tres, arriba. Es el banco. Número 2. ¿Qué es? Uno, dos, tres, arriba. El correo. Número 3. ¿Qué es? Uno, dos, tres, arriba. Lo siento. Número 4. Give me the affirmative and the negative commands for bailar. Uno, dos, tres, arriba. The affirmative would be baila. The negative is no bailes. Número 5. What are the affirmative and negative commands for comer? Uno, dos, tres, arriba. Come y no comas. Número 6. Give me the affirmative and negative commands for trabajar. Uno, dos, tres, arriba. Trabaja y no trabajes. Número 7. What are the affirmative and negative commands for escribir? Uno, dos, tres, arriba. Escribe y no escribas. Número 8. Give me the affirmative and negative commands for venir. Uno, dos, tres, arriba. Ven y no vengas. And if you remember, the yo form for venir is vengo, so that's why that's vengas, not venas. Número 9. Give me the affirmative and negative commands for hacer. Uno, dos, tres, arriba. Haz y no hagas. Uno más. Give me the affirmative and negative commands for poner. Uno, dos, tres, arriba. Pon y no pongas. Muy bien. Pongan las tablas blancas, marcadores y borradores en el estante, por favor. Okay, chicos. Here's what you'll be doing the rest of the class. I have a few different practice activities now that we're almost at the end of the chapter. Or we are at the end of the chapter now. Okay. In the first page of the packet, it says 2 commands. Instrucciones. Write the affirmative to command for each verb. Okay, just the affirmative. Make sure to tell me what the verb means in English. I want to know that you know what it means. Okay, so for the example I gave you, hablar, in English that means to talk, and the affirmative command will be habla. Do that for all of those. Watch out for the irregulars. The next page, it says follow the instructions below. All you have to do is do what these instructions tell you to do. Okay. And then the last page is a direction thing. So just like what we've gotten a lot of practice with, it says use the map below to figure out where you end up. You'll end up on one of those letters. Okay, start on the star each time. If you finish early, you need to be working on either missing work for me, if you have any, or missing work for another class. No teléfonos. Hasta lunes.